Canchester Gardens. Hello, mga beautiful ladies kasama ko ngayon. Ito kami sa Canchester, sabi ko Canchester Garden. Ang ganda. O, kaway kayong tatlo. Hello. Beautiful girls, wherever you are. Ang ganda naman. Wow, very nice. Ano to? Water lilies? Lilies ba yan? Cute, isn't it? Ang ganda naman pala dito. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito sa Canchester Water Garden. Pwede ka rin magpakain ng koi fish, sabi nila. And then you can eat food as well, like a picnic. Ganda.
Lilies, yeah.
Ganda, no? I'll turn the video on now as well. Taking a picture of these beautiful ladies from Herefordshire.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I understand. It's nice, but it's dark.
Is it? Yeah.
I mean, not
Okay,
dark,
it'll be
but
okay later.
yeah.
It's very nice. So you can walk around here. It's Canchester Water Gardens. Oh, butterfly! Ay, magpahuli. Ang ganda.
Nice. There's a lot of white.
Yeah. Yung mga mamis kasama ko ngayon na kasi free sila. Kung sino mong free, sila ang makakasama. How's your yoga?
Oh, I just do myself.
Ah, okay. This party, when did she go back
She's
then?
coming back tomorrow. So
Oh,
just,
good, okay.
rang me, ask me what I want.
Ah,
So
okay.
no, don't worry, just come back.
Hmm.
Let's go on the bridge.
Oh, may mag-bridge din pala dito. Oh my God. Why I haven't been here before? No. This is my first time. First time ever, mga guys.
Right, let's go with the flowers.
Okay, looks nice flowers here. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's okay. Ang ganda! My goodness, ang ganda.
Oh,
Wow! My first time po. I see, it's just like paikot lang pala. Circular. Hmm. Ay.
like this.
Hmm.
Go anywhere else.
Yeah.
Yeah. Talking about like you come from Asia and then 33 degrees in the car and after the melt and back. Oh my God.
Smile! Okay. Ganda. Beautiful. Lalakad-lakad lang kami dito sa Canchester Water Gardens. Dito lang to sa Herefordshire. Kaya mamaya kakain kami ng lunch, something to eat. Maliit lang siya, paikot lang siya. Wala na yun, ano?
Oh, that's where they grow.
Ah, they grow the, ano? Okay. Wait. Papicture ako ng mga beautiful growth. Okay. Put the video as well.
Beautiful. 1, 2, 3.
Give it up. Thank you, girl. Ay, naman siya. Yun din, camera as well.
Look at the blue sky.
Yeah, come on. It's so nice.
There you go.
Okay na to? Ooh, Irma!